A unanimous denial of appeal.
Charlie Tan will not face another trial. Tan was charged in his father Jim's death back in February of 2015 inside their Pittsford home. That October, the jury failed to reach a verdict and the judge declared a mistrial. That same judge, James Pompiano, later tossed aside Tan's murder charge, which led to the district attorney's decision to appeal. Lynette Adams has reaction tonight from people in Tan's neighborhood. Lynette?
Well, I've learned that the street where the Tan family has lived for many years is back to normal, but also that the people who live on the street would like to see this court saga finally come to an end.
I am glad that he can move on with his life and not have to worry about this proceeding any further.
That reaction tonight from a woman who has lived across the street from Charlie Tan and his family for many years. Over the years, she says, she saw sheriff's cars pull up at the Tan home. She hopes finally the family's nightmare might be over.
I hope now that they could let the family have peace and try to pick up the pieces from this long, hard road that they've had to endure and try to find it in their hearts to make peace with the decision themselves.
The decision handed down from the Appellate Division ends the murder case against Charlie Tan, accusing him in the shooting death of his father, Jim Tan.
What we felt from the beginning was that the judge was wrong in dismissing this indictment, and that was vindicated today in this decision, even though we at this point can't retry him.
The DA could exercise one more option. It could appeal to the New York State Appeals Court, but Walford admits getting permission to do that may be a long shot. Tan's defense team says this is over.
This is just to try to make the DA's office look good and to say to the members of the community, we did everything we could in this case. That's what they're doing. There was no grounds for this appeal. This court recognized it. There's no grounds for a further appeal.
To file an appeal, the DA's office would have to get permission from the Court of Appeals or the Appellate Division, the same court that handed down this decision. We're live at East and Chestnut. Lynette Adams, News 10 NBC.
Lynette,